Imagine building multiple income streams of what you already know, your skills, your content, without touching a line of code or a website. Let's take a look and jump into the video. All right, guys, if you are trying to figure out how can you take your skills, your content, you work hard, you try to create amazing products, but you just can't monetize it. Now, what if I told you there's one place where you could, but you're going to say, oh, I'd have to learn code. I'd have to make a website. I'd have to do product launches. I'd have to do all this stuff, build funnels, landing pages. Actually, Mainstack helps with all that. You're going to ask how. So we're going to get into this. What is it? It's a creator-focused platform that helps you monetize your knowledge, your time, and digital products. You don't need technical skills, and nothing's needed. Everything from the setup to payments handle is perfect if you're a content creator, freelancer, coach, consultant, solopreneur. So for all those people out there that are like, man, I need to create something amazing, but how do I do it? I just can't figure it out. You can do it here with no technical skills, and the best part is you can do it any digital product. So you come up with a digital product, a course, a digital product, an ebook, a workbook, an AI prompt even, you can start selling them. So think about what you want to sell. Your time through coaching sessions, consultations, strategy calls, services such as design, marketing, freelance, it is all here. And subscriptions, communities. Maybe you have a paid community, a webinar, even online events, even as we can see here, full courses. All of it can be done. You can actually create full online courses as we can see here. And the best part about that is once it's uploaded, you can sell it forever. And this manages everything, access, delivery. And it works for pre-recorded courses, drip content, hybrid live, if you want to have recorded programs. So think about any course that you want to create, you can do it. And it even gives you a branded professional course page without needing a separate platform. Show me another place where you can do all of that. So you can have a storefront, you can have hosted courses, and they even have how-tos on how to do that, which is absolutely amazing right here. And not only that, but as we can see, accepts payments in 135 currencies. Yes, 135 currencies, even crypto. So you have some clients, but they wanted to pay in Bitcoin. You just couldn't do it. Now you can. There's no monthly fee. There's just a flat fee performance platform per sale. So instead of going to these places that, charge you big upfront fees to host your course, well, it's just a flat 3% fee per sale. So as you make sales, they win. So it combines all these tools, Calendly, Gumroad, Stripe. You're probably thinking, hey, I have so much of this stuff in one place. And it even includes booking calendars, invoices, checkout forms, analytics, even email marketing. So let's take a look and see how it looks. So here we can see inside. This is my profile. So I have my storefront, my link in bio, my invoicing, my hosted courses. You can see featured articles. And I can even set up my payout. So here we can take a look. Business name, I set my brand color. I do all that fun stuff with the profile, the information here. And we can see here that there's the storefront. So you can set up your storefront right here. Add your store, add your display name, do your customizations, your payment settings. You're done. Show me another place where you can do all of this just in one shot, which is really, really exciting. Does it take a little bit to set up? Yes. But the best part is once it's set up, and you can set up your storefront here. So there you have it. You can also get resources right here, all the information that they have. So how do you might be wondering, well, I logged in. How do I do this? How do I do the link in bio? How do I track analytics? How do I add storefront links? How do I set it up? Auto hide, payment, transaction. And this is really cool because it explains everything right here. You can even see what Mainstack is, what you can use Mainstack for. And they even have a support team as well. The links aren't loading. What do you do? How do you change your username? And there's so much stuff here. So let's see how we can set up a storefront in less than 5 minutes. It grows with you. You can just start with one product and then you can share you keep for earning, as opposed to big platforms, Kajabi, all those ones that take 10%, 30% charge exorbitant fees. So let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to come to store here, I have a display name, next color, just going to upload a quick logo here. Then we can enable crypto payments, wallet payments. It'll be from Google, card payments, payment methods, And you can make customers actually pay the transaction fees. And they only have a card processing fee, 3% platform fee. Now that's pretty awesome. Then we hit create store. Boom, I created a store. Try that. Add product with AI. You can do digital product subscription, all that type of stuff. Basic details, pricing, additional details, email, and publish. So there we have it. I created a storefront in less than 5 minutes. I can do invoicing, all that thing here. So guys, stop waiting. This is Mainstack. Absolutely awesome. But I'm just going to tell you, if you've been looking for the right place and just don't know how to host your courses, how to get that idea out, how to get that next big product launch, what should you do? If you've been waiting to finally turn your knowledge and time into a real business, Mainstack really makes it easy, and you can get started for free. Give it a shot, and I'm excited to see what digital products you create. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.